In this video, I will show you how you can fix the low volume issue on your AirPods 4. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just take out your AirPod from the charging case, and from here just check if you find any dust or debris on your AirPods. Now if there is, just clean your AirPods using a Q-tip or a soft brush, and after that just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, just scroll down and tap on Headphone Safety. Now, if Reduce Loud Audio is enabled, just check if this slider is on low or not. If this slider is low, just increase this slider and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just disable Reduce Loud Audio. And after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual, then tap on Headphone Accommodations. Now just make sure you enable Headphone Accommodations, and after that, under Tune Audio 4, just select Balance Tone and set this slider to Strong. Now after you've done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the main settings page, and from here, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. After you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, you will see the name of your AirPods in the main settings page. Now just tap on it, and from here, just scroll down and select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device. Now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. And after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, and then just open the lid back open. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED on your charging case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your charging case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now from here, just close the lid of your AirPods. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just open the lid back open. Now just pair your AirPods with your iPhone, and you will notice that your issue has been fixed. And this is how you can fix the low volume issue on your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.